Hi students, good morning to all. So last class we discussed about how to find the values by using identities. So as the same exercise 5.3 we continue from 8th question. So what is the 8th question? If x square plus 1 by x square, the value of this term is 79, then we need to find out the value of x plus 1 by x. So last class we discussed, you can see they have to given x minus 1 by x, we supposed to find out x square plus 1 by x square by using that formula a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. By using that formula we find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Here what we have to do, in a reverse order they have to given the value of x square plus 1 by x square. They have to given the value, but we need to find out the value of x plus 1 by x. Now we move on to the solution. So solution, given value is x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 79, and we need to find out x plus 1 by x. So already you know that by the given position x plus 1 by x. So here x square plus 1 by x square we can't find out, because if you square the value, negative value, it become positive. Okay, so what we have to find out here, x plus 1 by x. So by using this we confirmed the identities, that is x plus y the whole square, x plus y the whole square. So we need to take over x plus y the whole square is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2xy is the expansion. Here x is nothing but x. Here x we can substitute as it is x only. But if you take y, so the value of y we take it as 1 by x. So value of y, I just take it as 1 by x. So now we need to expand the value by using that identities x square plus y square plus 2xy. By using that identity we need to find out the value of x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x whole square, that is x plus y. I just substitute the value of y is 1 by x is equal to x square plus y square is nothing but 1 by x the whole square. So that one become 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. So now you can see what happened. So it happened, x will get cancelled. So remaining x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is remaining value. So already know that you need to find out the value of x plus 1 by x. So I just keep it as same. And what is the given value of this x square plus 1 by x square is nothing but 79. The given value is 79 plus 2 is equal to 81. So now we need to take over the square root, because to find out x plus 1 by x only. So x plus 1 by x, we take out the square root of value 81. So what is the value of 81? Square root of 81 is nothing but 9. So if we take the square root, finally we get the value x plus 1 by x is nothing but 9. Finally the value x plus 1 by x is equal to 9. So this is the final solution of the given question. x square plus 1 by x square. By using this given value, the value of x plus 1 by x is nothing but 9. So this is the final solution. Next we move on to question number 9. Question number 9. If x minus 1 by x is equal to root 3, then find the values of x square plus 1 by x square and x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. As usual, the same method previously we can learn about that same identities we need to use here. X minus 1 by x value they given, so we just take over the formula x minus y the whole square. If you square that negative y, you get positive only. So we get x minus 1 by x. By using that value, we take over x minus y the whole square. Here x is equal to x and y is equal to 1 by x. So now we move on to the solution. So the given value for question number 9. Question number 9 in a solution. So given value is nothing but x minus 1 by x is equal to root 3. So what we need to find out? We supposed to find out x square plus 1 by x square, and as the same x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x to the power 4 is equal to what? So we need to find out both values, x square plus 1 by x square and x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So 1 by 1 we need to, so before we going to x to the power 4, first we need to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So for that I just take over the identities x minus y the whole square, x minus y the whole square, so is equal to, I take over x minus 1 by x the whole square. So for that I take x is equal to x and y I just take 1 by x as usual the previous sum. Okay, so now I just expand the values of x minus y the whole square is nothing but x minus 1 by x whole square is nothing but x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. As usual the same method previously we followed, x will get cancelled. So finally you get x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. So already you know that the value of x minus 1 by x they given root 3. I just substitute the value. Instead of x minus 1 by x, I substitute root 3 whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. So next what we need to find out? We supposed to find out the value x square, this one, x square plus 1 by x square only we need to find. So for that I just keep it this x square plus 1 by x square on the right hand side and remaining minus 2 it goes to left, it become plus 2. So I just show. So now root 3 I have to squared root 3 into root 3, it get 3. I just explain how it is possible. So root 3 it can be written in the form 3 power 1 by 2. Okay, it's whole power 2. What it happens? It becomes 3 power 2 by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. It's become 3 power 1. So if you square the value any number in a square root, that root will cancelled automatically. So for that I just take the square root, and if you take the square root means what happen? It become 3. So 3 and this minus 2 it become right hand side means it's become plus 2 and this is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. So finally the value of x square plus 1 by x square is nothing but 5. Next what we need to find out? We need to find out x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x to the power 4. For that we supposed to use squaring value of x square plus 1 by x square. So here I just take x equal to x square and y equal to 1 by x square. So for that we need to find out x to the power 4 and 1 by x square. For that I just take over x square plus 1 by x square. I just take out the whole square. As usual the formula x plus y the whole square. So it becomes x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square, that is x square plus y square plus 2 into x into y. So as the same it will cancel. So what is the remaining part you get? So I just take over x square plus 1 divided by x square whole square is equal to 2 power 2. It becomes a to the power m whole to the power n. I just recall that exponents a power m whole power n. How you can written a power m into n. As the same identities here we have to use in this condition. So it becomes x to the power 4. So if you take a by b whole power m, we need to square both numerator and denominator. So this one become 1 square become 1 and x square become x to the power 4. Okay, plus 2. So here what you need to find out, we need to find out x power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. I just take this plus 2 to left hand side. What happened? It become minus 2. Already know that the value of x square plus 1 by x square is 5. So it means 5 square minus 2 is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x to the power 4. If we square the value of 5, you get 25. So 25 minus 2 is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x to the power 4. So finally what is the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4? It becomes 23. X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is nothing but 23. So already we got the value x square plus 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 5 is the value for this. So by using question we find out the clear values of both x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 5 and x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 23. Next we move on to question number 10. So now question number 10, evaluate the given algebraic expression for the values indicated against each of them. So here you can observe the question 4p square minus 20p plus 25 for p is equal to minus 2. So we need to find out the value. If we substitute instead of p, we need to substitute minus 2. Okay, so in second question 3x cube minus 5x square plus 2x minus 11 for x is equal to 3. So only thing here 3 terms only is there, here 4 terms is there. So I just take a second question. By using this method you can solve the first question as a homework. So 10th question, a sum 4p square minus 20p plus 25 for p is equal to minus 2. You supposed to do it as a homework and you must concentrate the negative value. Negative value, it becomes, if you multiple 2 times like minus into minus it become plus. So minus into plus it become minus. Okay, if you square the value with negative value so it becomes positive. Always we need to think that one. So now we move on to the solution. So what is the given? So given expression is 3x to the power 3 minus 5x to the power 2 plus 2x minus 11. We need to substitute x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. I just substitute the value instead of x. So for that I just keep separate that x only, like this 3 power 3. Okay, I just leave the space for x because I need to substitute the value 3 minus 5 as it is, and I just leave the gap for x and I will put that same power plus 2 into minus 11. Okay, so with a different color I just use this, instead of x I replace with 3. So now you understand how you can replace, how you can substitute the value x. Only you think 3 is common 3, and x only the place of x I just mentioned 3, and power 3 is also same. So now you just calculate it equal. So 3. So 3 to the 3 power 3. How it becomes? 3 power 3 is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3. Now we multiple 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So here we get 27 minus 5 into. So what we have to find out? We need to find out 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2, you just write 3 into 3. 3 3s are, it becomes 9 plus. So here only 1, 2 into 3, that is plus into plus, plus 2 3s are 6, and finally you get minus 11. And next, normal multiplication with concentrate the symbol also. So plus into plus, it become plus only. So 3 into 27, so 3 7s are 21, remaining 2, 3 2s are 6, 8, so 81. Plus into minus, minus 9 5s are, it becomes 45, and plus 6 minus 11. Now I just compare the negative values in red. I want to show you. Here you can see minus 45, minus 11. Already you know that in integers maximum so many values are there, means you supposed to take over the integers by separating the symbol. You need to separate the positive values and negative values. After that you go with addition and subtraction. Okay, so first I want to do that separation. So I take the positive value plus 81 and then plus 6 in front, minus 45, minus 11 in second. So I just take the first 2 and then second 2. First 2 positive, that is 81 plus 81 and plus 6, it become 87. If the symbol is same, you get plus 87. As the same way, we just go with the negative, that is minus 45 and it's take with minus 11. Give the number having same symbol, whether it is plus or minus. Okay, plus means you take over plus, minus means you take over minus in the answer. So in the previous we take over 81 and 6, we get plus, plus plus, we take over plus 87. Here I just take minus 45 and 11, we supposed to add in this condition. So 5 plus 1 6, 4 plus 1 5. So we get minus 56. So automatically you know that you need to subtract. If we subtract 87 minus 56, we get 31. So I just substitute the value instead of x, we get 31 is the value. So directly I just go with here So I just compare the value here 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, so it become 81, and 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are minus 45, and 3 2s are plus 6, and then minus 11. If I take with the front onwards, so 81 minus 45, 81 minus 45, I got 36. So 36 plus 6, I got 42. So 42 minus 11, so finally I get 31. So here I got the same value. So now we complete this exercise. Next class we discuss about how to factorize the expression. So today I just give the homework sum in 10, the first question, and I have to attach the worksheet on this same method. You can finish it on the day itself. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை ட்ரைன்